fucking cold. My fucking soul even feels so cold. I need some motherfucking heat, please. Can you turn up the fucking heat? I'm feeling cold. Am I dying young? I don't even know, but I can't feel my lungs. Is it too much smoke that I done fucking blaze? Been 12 years and I still be blazing. I feel cold, that shit help me. I don't even know what I'ma do without my homies. Tryna fuck around with all these fucking bitches, yo. I don't think that is cool, that's why I feel cold. I'm getting kinda old, and I ain't tryna live with this, yo. I wanna just be myself, I wanna be able to see everybody else. But right now I can't see shit but snow. It's all white everywhere I fucking see. It's kinda crazy if you're me right now, but I'm just trying to get out this fucking drowse. Feeling real slow, nigga can't even move. I'm a real motherfucker with the attitude, but at this point I can't even realize if it's me or if I just wanna die. I wish I could wake up when it's real. I'm kinda getting fucked up. It's my life and I don't even wanna fucking cry. I'll fucking roll the dice, I'll spin it twice. Shoot it up for my motherfucking niggas. I ain't talking about that motherfucking brown. When it goes so hard in the pain, I really wish I could thank the Lord who I am. I don't wanna thank him real soon because I know I'm just blanking. Damn, it's so fucking hard. I wish I could wake up in the fucking boulevard. I'm sitting in my car, just scarring my heart. I don't even know what I'ma do, I'm not far. I'm still at the bottom, never at the top. I'm gonna fucking try to talk to God. Please help me, I know I need you. I wanna fuck you, sure I please you. I wanna go to the Sunday church and fucking show you that I really fucking care. But I'm sitting here and it's so cold, I just wanna smoke, drink beer. I know it's wrong, I don't wanna do it, but I have to do it in order to get through it. I got so many problems in my life, I gotta smoke too many fucking blunts and dimes. The days go by so fast, the nights go by so slow. I just wanna inject myself with drugs. I love that shit like I love more than my home. Damn, it kinda hurts though to realize that you addicted to weed, and it's no game, it's not even funny, G. Wake up because you acting like a dummy, G. It's alright, one day you'll realize what you had. She could've been your wife, she done left, you ain't got her instead. You got the motherfucking casket by your bed. You know you're gonna die soon, like a bitch, so you better open up your eyes fucking quick.